Hey, I'm Cole Bunderson.
I'm Rob Coates. We're here with N-Hance. We're in Logan, Utah. We've got a project going on today for a couple that we're redoing a kitchen. They are remodeling pretty much everything in their house. They've done new countertops, new backsplash, painted everything. The cabinets are kind of the last thing on their list, and so that's the project we've got going on this time.
For us, when we refinish like a kitchen or a floor, the end product is just miles ahead of what your average painter can do. And it's really similar to, if not better than, a brand new factory finished kitchen at a much more competitive price point. We love to go in there and wow the customer and have them just see it come full circle to what feels like a brand new kitchen, and so we're excited to go and restore theirs for them.
Yeah, let's get it done.
Are you excited for your kitchen to be redone?
Say yes. We can try, or maybe I can try.
Cover up your belly though. Okay. Hi, I'm Morgan.
And I'm Keaton.
And we've lived in this home for about 3.5 years.
We spend a lot of time in our kitchen. We cook every night, right? Almost every night.
Yeah, I'd say so.
We've got a toddler that's hungry constantly, 6 or 7 times a day. It's definitely the heart of our home. We spend a good portion of our day there.
So we've gotten to do a couple of different projects with our kitchen. So we got new countertops, we got a new updated backsplash, we had the walls painted, and that ate up quite a bit of our budget. And so we were really happy to find N-Hance because they were able to not only do the project quickly, but also to do it at a cost-effective price.
All right, can you show us around your kitchen a little bit and tell us what you're thinking?
For us, this is kind of like the last piece.
Okay.
And so we're just wanting to kind of change the color of the cabinets to match with the rest of the style.
It looks like they're wearing a little bit. The original finish coat is kind of missing and wearing thin. You've got like a little bit of wear here from just, probably water and a little use, right? So we've got a few different options for the kitchen generally. We can just put a new finish coat on everything. So you just have cabinets that are basically what they were like 10, 15, whatever years ago, brand new. So that's kind of the first option. The other one is we can do sort of that same thing, but then we can move the color a little bit or a lot. These are kind of the second and third options. So if you want to go a little bit deeper red, we can do that. Or if you want to go like way down to like an espresso or a pretty dark brown, something like that.
Okay.
We can take your cabinets that direction as well. You're still going to see the wood grain pattern in here. And then sort of the fourth option that's lately been pretty popular is giving you an opaque color. Durability is not really a problem with any of those four. No matter what you do, it's going to look great for years to come.
I was kind of thinking maybe like a gray or a white, something to lighten up the space a little bit, like the classic silver.
Yeah, that'd look really nice. It'd go well with your countertops and your new appliances. We'll take a day in your home to start, to take everything out and to prepare the boxes.
Okay.
Then we'll be out of your kitchen. You'll have full use of it while we're back at our shop, refinishing the doors. And then a third day, come back, put everything back together. It's really just a 3-day process. So classic silver, you want to go ahead with that?
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good. That's our color.
All right, then let's get started. Our process is pretty darn foolproof for one thing. We put in a lot of legwork at the forefront of the job so that everything goes really smoothly at the end. And I think typically that's sort of reversed, and the competition will go in there and just kind of get a little sloppy and just get after it as fast as they can to get it done. And then they're kind of playing catch up and clean up, and it doesn't wind up working out too well for them or the customer.
We have a lot of confidence in our products themselves, thanks to the R&D department at N-Hance. We don't just tell people they're better, they've been tested in a lab. We have better abrasive resistance on our finish coats than anything else that's out there on the market. So when we can go into a home and we can tell the clients, look, this is going to be every bit as good a quality as you would get from a factory finish, we can have confidence saying that.
We'll put our products down and then we'll finish with one of our finishing products, typically what's called known as Lightspeed. And then we'll bake it in with a UV machine. A UV light cures it instantly so that it's full strength right then. Most finishes you have to wait 7 to 10 days for them to cure fully. Ours cures instantly with the light, and then we bring it all back to the customer's kitchen, throw the doors back on, do the cabinets as well, and it's ready to go. Okay, are you guys ready to see your new refinished kitchen?
Yeah, let's do it.
All right, let's go take a look.
Oh my gosh! This looks amazing!
Great, so another project in the books. It's great when you can come back into a home like this and take some old rundown cabinets and give new life to them, right?
Yeah, to me there's nothing better than seeing a completed kitchen and the big transformation, especially the look on the homeowner's faces when they come in and see like just a total transformation of the home.